Top 10 Solana based altcoins that crypto developers are focusing and will increase their value in the next few days. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Joel. Today I will share with you with the research that there will be a 10 Solana based altcoin that will explode in the next days or month according to a latest analytics. So cryptocurrency analytics firm Sentiment has published a list of altcoins that have seen the most developer activity in the Solana ecosystem in its latest post, meaning the developer of that coin will post their token to the next level. Developer activity scores for this open source project were created using the data pulled from GitHub. At the top of the list is the native coin of the Solana network, the SOL. However, it is also worth noting that there is no incredible difference between SOL and the altcoins that follow. In addition, let's add that there was no change in the ranking of the top 3 altcoins with the most developer activity in the last published ranking. So the analytics firm Sentiment ranked these Solana based altcoins based on their points, no? So the first is the Solana native token in the Solana ecosystem got 116.77% in increase or in points. So we will see the current value of the Solana token. So based on CoinGecko, the price of Solana today is 177.00 or $177. So it will up 1.7%. So maybe the Solana will hit in the next days or in the next month to 180 to 200 if they will have more activity, no? So the market cap is 92 billion. The 24-hour trading is 4.2 billion. So you can trade the Solana token in any DEX and the SEC or centralized exchange. Okay, then the next is the wormhole, got 71.53. So according to CoinGecko, the price of wormhole is 0.1038, up 3.5%. so Solana up to 1.7%, the wormhole is 3.5%. maybe the wormhole will increase to 0.2 or 0.3 in the near future. Then the market cap is 477 million. Then 24-hour trading is 43 million. So you can trade the token in Binance tayo. Okay, the third one is the PET network or the PITE network. The score is 54.93. So the PITE network, the price is 0.1383, up 2.3%. So this top 3 token, the Solana native token, the wormhole, and this PITE network already increased their value, no? So I think this token will reach 0.2 or 0.3 in the near future. Then the market cap is 784 million. The 24-hour trading is 55 million. So you can trade PITE network in the Binance, Mix, and other centralized exchanges. Okay, The fourth one is drip token, score 36.6. So the rank number 4 in Solana ecosystem or Solana based altcoins. The drip protocol has the 0.6442 cent, 4.4% in increase. So as you see, based on the analytics from the first token up to this fourth token, they already increase their value in 24-hour tradings, meaning more buying sentiments in any investor. So the value or the market cap is 194 million. The 24-hour trading is 27 million. Only 1 billion supply. So you can trade the drip protocol and HTX, Bitget, and the other centralized exchange. The number 5 is the Helium NHT. Score 35.7. The PIP one is the Helium, but the price of Helium is down 11.3%. So the price of Helium today is $3.64. Okay, so read in the coin market the Helium down by 11% from $4.14 to $3.64. No? So market cap is 665 million. 24-hour trading is 19 million. 223 million supply. Wow. So you can trade Helium in Bybit, Git, IO, Mix, and other centralized exchange. But remember, if the token drop 10 to 11%, this is a good scenario that you can buy more. No, remember the any cryptocurrency, especially in altcoins, they have their volatile, no, volatility in their price. No, more maybe in this time, more selling happen in this token. The sixth coin is Neon. The points is 34.4 points. So Neon, the price of Neon is 0.1354, down by 1.3%. But remember, there is a resistance, no? Although it seems red, but yes, as you see, it will go up. So the market cap of Neon is 32 million. Then 24 trading is 1 million, but only 1 billion supply. So you can trade Neon token in XT.com, Bitmart, and other centralized exchange. So don't worry if the token or altcoin or any cryptos go down or they have a red color in the coin market, because that is the indication that more sellers and the price is down. So that is your time to buy more, no? So the principle of trading is buy in low, then sell in high. Okay, another Solana based token, number 6, I think number 6, number 7. Okay, number 7, the Metaplex or MPLX, scores 31.23 points, no? Okay, the Metaplex, the price is 0.1708, down by only 0.5%, no? So I think Metaplex can hit 0.2 or 0.19, no? Then the market cap is 135 million. 24 trading is 6 million. Supply is only 1 billion. You can trade Metaplex, Tigit.io, HTX, and other centralized exchange. No? Then the number 8, GTO, scores 26.93. The number 8 token in the Solana base ecosystem, the GTO or GTO, $1.97, so 2.7 increase, but the target maybe $2.04 or $2.05, no, in the coming time, no. So the market cap is 656 million. The 24-hour trading is 20 million, and the total supply is 1 billion. So you can trade GTO in Binance, Bitget, Git.io, and other centralized exchange. Okay. Number 9, Swarms, scores 24 points. So I think Swarm is low in market cap and the value in all 10 altcoins based on Solana ecosystem. Okay, the 9th altcoin in Solana based ecosystem is Swarms. The price is 0.03074, up 8.5%. So I think it can hit 0.0320 or 0.04 in the coming days. So the market cap is 30 million. The 24-hour trading is 10 million, only 1 billion supply. You can trade in Bitget, Hellbank, Git.io, and any centralized exchange. No? Then the last token in the Solana ecosystem is the Orca, 15.9 points. Okay, the last token in the Solana ecosystem that will increase their value in the next few days, the Orca. The price today is $3.07, 14.7% increase. So from 2.67 24-hour range, now is 3.09 or 3.07. So I think it can hit to 3.10 or 3.20, no. So market cap is 184 million. 24 trading is 64 million, but the total supply is 100 million. Wow. So you can buy Orca or trade Orca token in Binance, Mix, Bithumb, and other central exchange. Okay, so these are the top 10 altcoins that most developer focusing in the last 30 days. So we have Solana, Wormhole, Byte Network, Drift, Helium, Neon, Metaplex, GTO, Swarms, and Orca. Okay, but always remember, this is only educational purpose only. Always do your research before investing in any cryptocurrencies or any meme token. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel, and hit notification bell so that you will always be notified for new videos regarding cryptocurrencies and meme token. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.